Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own Excel templates. Let's get started. Here, I am in Excel in the Info section, and I'm going to click on New. So I click on New, and it takes me to a page where I can create a completely blank workbook. Alternatively, I could open up one of these pre-made templates that other people have made and that Excel is making available to me. I can easily click to open up one of these templates, and there's a variety of them for different uses. However, in addition to this, notice what else I have. I have a button here that says Personal. When I click on that, I can access personal templates that I have made. No one else can see this, just me. But I can click on this and quickly open an Excel template that I can then adapt for my own needs and uses. So let's look at how I did this. How did I save this particular spreadsheet to be a personal template? Well, to show you this, I'm going to open up a spreadsheet that I've been working on. This is a monthly budget that I'd like to use for my family. I found this online and made some changes to fit my family needs, altered some categories and expenses. Now that I've made a few changes, I want to save this as a template. That way, on a monthly basis, I can open the template and start inputting the numbers for that month. Because it's a template, there won't be any danger of overwriting the previous month's budget. To save this as a template, I need to go to File, choose Save As, and select Excel Template as the file type. It opens a folder called Custom Office Templates, where I can save it. I'll name it Monthly Family Budget and click Save. Now I'll exit this. Suppose a few days later, I want to make a new monthly budget for the upcoming month. I don't have to open last month's and change everything. Instead, I open Excel, choose Personal, select Monthly Family Budget, and it opens blank. I can input the new month's data without altering the previous records. This saves a lot of time and effort, ensuring I don't accidentally overwrite last month's work. When I finish inputting the numbers for the current budget, I'll go to File, Save As, and this time, save it as a regular workbook without the template designation. Hopefully, this explains the advantage of using Excel templates to create content you need on a regular basis without starting from scratch each time. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.